How to set back tap or double tap to trigger camera control double light press on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on settings. So tap on settings. Now in the main settings page, we scroll down and tap on accessibility. Next, we scroll down and in here, tap on touch. After that, we go down. So scroll down to the bottom and tap on back tap. In here, you can choose double tap or triple tap. I'm going to select double tap. And then choose camera control double light press. So tap on that. So when you do that, and if you double tap on here, you are triggering double press on the camera control button. So here, camera control double light press. So here, when you double light press, it will open up the control panel here. So if I double tap like this, you can see it open up the camera control panel, allow me to change between different format, and that's it. That is how you can assign the double tap to trigger the double light press on the camera control. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.